Stressed about affording the software you need for school? Well, what if I told you there's a way to unlock huge savings on Microsoft products? Let's dive into how to grab that sweet Microsoft student discount. First things first, fire up your favorite web browser and head over to the Microsoft Education website. I'll drop a direct link in the description below for easy access. Keep your eyes peeled for the student or education section. On the homepage, this is your gateway to all the discounted goodies. Now, look for a button or link that says something like Get Started, Student Discount, or Verify Eligibility. Click on it. You'll be prompted to verify your student status typically. This involves entering your school-provided email address. Make sure it's the one ending in edu or your institution's equivalent. Microsoft will then send a verification email to that student email address. Jump over to your school inbox, find the email, and click the verification link. This confirms you're a legit student, ready to save some serious cash. Once verified, you'll be granted access to a special Microsoft Store page showcasing all the discounted products and services available to students. This often includes Microsoft 365, which gives you access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Sometimes, you can even snag discounts on Surface devices or other hardware. Browse through the options, add what you need to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Just like any other online purchase, the student discount will automatically be applied, showing you the reduced price. Complete the purchase, download your software, and start rocking your studies with the tools you need without breaking the bank.